Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix can't play video or audio error in Windows 10. Type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Make sure Startup Type is automatic and Service Status is running. Click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Type App Installer. Click App Installer, click Advanced Options. Reset and repair App Installer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.